Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to verify your Capital One card for Apple Pay. So, if you want to start using Apple Pay with your Capital One card but not sure how to verify it, in this step-by-step guide, I will exactly show you how to do that. So, first unlock your iPhone and open the wallet application. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card, then choose credit or debit card and tap continue. You can either use your phone's camera to scan the card or enter the card details manually. Input your name, card number, expiration date and CVV. Then agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. After entering your card information, Apple Pay will attempt to verify your card. You'll usually get a prompt to choose a verification method, like a text message, email or call. Choose your preferred method and enter the code you receive. If the verification doesn't work, you may need to call Capital One directly. Just tap the call bank option within Apple Pay and their support team can manually verify your identity. Once verified, your Capital One card will show as active in your wallet. You're now ready to use Apple Pay in stores, apps and online. And that's it. Adding and verifying your Capital One card in Apple Pay is quick and easy. Make sure that your iOS is updated and you have an active internet connection when verifying. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.